Hi, it's Emily. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm in the kitchen because I'm getting ready to cook lunch today, and I'm gonna vlog today. I'm not gonna vlog my whole day, but I'm gonna bring you all along a little bit of our day because it's already lunchtime and it gets so dark here that I'm not gonna be able to do anything past like 4. I'm like already so sick of winter. I had to put up one of my lights because even though it is so early in the day, it's still like so dark outside that it's not even bright enough in the kitchen without a light. So that's why it's like super bright in here. So I'm going to show you all a lunch that I have been loving here recently. And if you look it up on Pinterest, they're called Buddha bowls. And I found on Pinterest there's like all these different kinds that you can make, and so that's what I'm going to be making today. And you basically can like follow the formula and just pick, you can like personalize them so you can have all different kinds, and they're perfect for lunch, and they're also perfect because you could like meal prep them. So I think I'm going to make enough for like another day in the week so I can have leftovers another day. Now I have some brown rice that I'm going to put in the microwave. This is a lot easier if you have like leftover chicken. Last week we had a rotisserie chicken and that's what I used. So taking longer this time because I actually have to cook the chicken. Next, I'm going to put this in the microwave. I love these sweet potatoes. It's so easy to like put them in the microwave, and they're just like lightly seasoned. 5 minutes. Forgot to show you my rice is done and the chicken is done. So now I'm just waiting on the sweet potatoes, and I'm still cooking the zucchini. If you're wondering if my kids are going to eat this, the answer is no. I made extra zucchini because Rosie will probably eat some zucchini. Maybe I'm a bad mom, but I'm gonna give my kids this because if I tried to force them to eat this and they wouldn't eat it, then like 30 minutes later they'll be hungry and they'll end up eating like donuts or something because they didn't eat their lunch. So I might as well fix them something that I know they're gonna eat. And these are like really cute, so trust me, I would feed this to my kids if they would eat it. Okay, I'm finished with everything, so I'm going to put my bowl together, and I've got a Pyrex bowl because last time I used one of our small cereal bowls and it wasn't enough food. So I'm just going to put everything in here. There's everything all together. I'm just going to mix this all up and eat it all together. I think this is so good. Don't make a big mess.
I'm not big girl. Big girl. Don't make a mess. Try to find it, baby, and fight.
Baby didn't eat. She's just a pretend baby.
Love you.
I love you. You're silly. She asked if she could be in my YouTube video. Okay, I'm gonna show them my leftovers. So I just finished eating and I took all my leftovers and I put it in this bowl. I'm just gonna put this in the refrigerator. I'm gonna cover it. And then I have this for another day of lunch. So I wanna show you all something really cool that we got sent in the mail, and I'm so excited about it. It is this air humidifier from Lavoie. I guess I'm saying that correctly. But as you can see, we got it here in our kitchen. So if you watch my YouTube videos last year, you'll see that we had an air humidifier that was sitting here last winter. We had bought just like a small cheap one from Walmart, and we ran it all winter long. So this year Lavoie reached out to us. They wanted to send us an air humidifier for me to show you all, and I love this one so much more than the one we had last year. Like I said, it was just cheap from Walmart. This one is really nice and it's on Amazon, so if If you have Amazon Prime, you can find it. I will link it down below, so make sure you check it out. But I'm gonna show you how it works. You can see it's got this pretty big tank here, and it's real like sleek and modern looking. It just matches our kitchen and looks great in here. Okay, so you just take this off and you lift the tank off like this. And right here, you just unscrew this thing and you just fill it up with water. Get it on here. Okay, got it on there. This little thing on the top is cool because you can have all your steam going one direction, or you can turn it and have it going like 2 different ways. This comes with a little remote, so if you're sitting on the couch or like in your bed and you want to turn it on or off, you can. You can do a warm mist or you can do a cool mist. And you can set it for different humidity levels, and you can set a timer for how long you want to use it. I love these for wintertime because my skin gets so dry in the winter. It's like terrible. So I always run a humidifier in the wintertime. So make sure you go check these humidifiers out. I'm gonna put a link down in my description box. So make sure you check it out. And thank you again to Lavoie for sending this to us. Is done. Oh, I'm like sweating and I feel like I just did a workout. But our sheets needed to be washed, so I washed them today. So they were done in the dryer, so I needed to put them on the bed. Yeah, I for real feel like I just did an intense workout. So that's good. I got my workout for the day. So the other day I went shopping for some more like home decor items because I just wanted to add a few little pieces. So they're down in the car. I'm gonna go get them and bring them up. I just haven't brought them up yet because we have to go up 3 flights of steps every time we go to our apartment. So it's no fun carrying stuff up. So I'm gonna go get those and I'm gonna bring them in here, show you what I got, and show you where I'm gonna put everything. Okay, I'm back with everything. I realized the other day that once summer started, we never did really finish decorating our apartment. Whew, I'm out of breath. Those 3 flights are no joke. I went looking for some things. I have been looking for a picture to go on this nightstand, and I just haven't found the right picture yet. I've been looking and looking and looking, and I was just didn't find what I was looking for, but I seen this the other day at Hobby Lobby and I just loved it. I don't know if it's gonna match or look good over there, but look at this. I think this is so cute. This was on a display, like a little end cap. You know how they'll have like these little sections and like everything is like themed together. This picture frame was with some other things, and I just loved the vibe. Like I would have to redo my whole house to match that vibe, so I'm not gonna do that, but I did grab this picture and I'm gonna try to put it over here, and I hope it looks good. I thought it was so cute. So I hope it matches because I also got a lamp to go on this nightstand. So I bought this lamp before I bought the frame. So I don't know if they're gonna go well together or not, but I found this at Target. And I've been wanting a small lamp to go on here because this desk is not very big. So when I seen this one at Target, it was really small, and it's called Orange Finish, and it's the Threshold brand. I thought it was so cute. I'm so stupid though, I forgot to buy a light bulb. So I need to get a light bulb, but I can go ahead and set this on my nightstand. But also at Target, I found this pillow, and I actually found the pillow before I got the lamp, and they match, and I just love this color. You can see it's like textured with this pattern. And what brand is this? This is Threshold brand as well. So duh, they match. Same color. So I want this pillow to go on my chair over here in the corner. I'll show you. And one more thing I got at Hobby Lobby was this really cute vase. Look at it. It's like frosted. And I love this. I want to put this on my table in the living room and put those feathery, like dried grass looking things that everybody has right now. I think they're really cute. I've seen them a lot on Pinterest, and I haven't found any yet near me to put in here. I did the other day. I was at the mall and I went in our house and I seen they had some, so I went to see how much they were, and I picked one up, and those little bitty things went like flying everywhere, like everywhere. Like I gently pulled it up and they just went everywhere like snow, and I was like, this is definitely not what I need in my house with 2 kids, and so I put it back in there. But I'm looking for something to go in here, like the dried pampas grass, I think that's how you say it. But definitely not one that sheds, because my kids will have it like completely bare in no time at all. I'm gonna go ahead and rearrange this nightstand. If you're wondering, Evan's nightstand is full of toys because one of the girls this morning probably Everly brought her box of toys in here and just like filled his nightstand with toys. Okay, so here's my nightstand. I need to clean it off. It's got too much stuff on it. I don't need that on here. I'm actually bought this and I never really liked it on my nightstand. So I'm thinking like putting this here. Maybe if I move my plant, like angle it this way. Okay, so then the lamp would go here and plug it in the wall. And then my Bible here. I don't know. So that's what it looks like. I feel like it's still missing something. I don't know if this painting, this picture is just like too dark or if it looks good. Let me know in the comments down below. Actually, only let me know in the comments if you like it. If you think it looks bad, don't tell me, because I get so many bad comments. I'm tired of reading them. Okay, so over here in this corner, I have this chair. So I also just added this arrowhead plant that I propagated from one of my mom's plants at her house. And this is the pillow that I want to switch out. Did I hit that? So I'm just switching this pillow out. This is just the blanket that I showed you all in my Christmas gift guide video. I think it looks really cute over here. I like this so much better with this pillow than the black and white one. I'm just over black and white. And I think it looks so cute up there now with that plant. Okay, so I actually need to repot my ZZ plant because when I pull it out, it is like the roots are coming through the bottom of this. It kind of looks really scary and creepy. I wanted to go outside and do it outside, but it's so cold outside. I'm afraid to take my plants out there that they'll get like stunned. So here's my little setup. I got a trash bag and I've got a container that I've used before to repot plants outside. So I'm gonna try to do this in my bedroom and not get potting soil everywhere. This may not be a good idea. So the roots are so stuck in this pot that I'm gonna have to cut the pot, or else I'm gonna hurt the roots. Try not to cut the roots and just get the pot. Okay. I think I can get it now. Now I've got it out of the pot, and I need to put some potting soil in this other pot. that it's going into. I'm gonna try to break up these roots a little bit. There we go. Okay, I'm getting dirt everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Now I'm just gonna fill in some more dirt. Okay, so I got my ZZ plant finished, and I also repotted my peperomia because it was outgrowing its pot because it's grown so much. And I did pretty good keeping my mess in this little bucket, and I've got a little mess over here and got just a tiny bit of dirt on the carpet that I'm gonna have to vacuum up. But it's okay. My battery is almost dead, so that means it's time to end the vlog for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!